Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing well at home. Well, I'm your English teacher, Miss Iram Naz, and I'm here to teach you English. So let us begin our today's work. So what is our today's task? Today I will give you an introduction of noun, then we will explain it. We'll play some guessing games and then practice and give a little assessment on the part of speech noun. And today's homework, kindly note today's homework. Make 5 sentences using noun in your homework copy. So let us begin our today's work. Introduction to noun. What is a noun? Noun किसे कहते हैं? Have you heard a word that is buzzing all around? Everybody is asking, what is a noun? Have you heard a word that is buzzing all around? Everybody is asking, what is a noun? Gee, my dear students, noun is a name of person, place, thing and animal. नाउन किसका नाम? नाउन इसम क्या है? इसम किसी शख्स का नाम, किसी जगह का नाम, किसी चीज़ का नाम या किसी जानवर के नाम को हम नाउन कहते हैं. नेमिंग वर्ड्स. Everything around us has a name. These names help us to identify a person, place, animal or thing. हमारे इर्द गिर्द तमाम चीज़ें जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, वो तमाम चीज़ क्या है? नाउन है. और उसको हम लोगों ने एक नेम दिया होता है ताकि हमें पता चले कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट अ पर्सन, girl, boy, Ali, Amna, mother, father and teacher. These are the name of a person. एक अगर मैं बात करूँ प्लेस की, स्कूल, पार्क, गार्डन और इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारी जगहें हैं जहाँ हम जाते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है? प्लेस. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट थिंग यानी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स एंड लिविंग, वो इसमें आ जाते हैं जिसमें प्लांट्स भी हमारे लिविंग थिंग्स की कैटेगरीज में आ जाते हैं. तो टेबल, पेन, बुक, ट्री, ये तमाम चीज़ें जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, ये सब नाउन होते हैं. सिमिलर गोज विद एनिमल. एनिमल यानी कैट, डॉग, मंकी, काउ एंड सो मैनी अदर एनिमल्स. ये तमाम जानवरों के जो नेम है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ नाउन. So let us play a guessing game. Who is ready to play a guessing game? Are you ready? Well, let's start today's guessing game. जी, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स नज़र आ रही हैं. आपने गेस करना है कि ये पिक्चर पर्सन है, प्लेस है या थिंग है. ओके, आर यू रेडी? लेट्स बिगिन. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. इट्स अ टेलीविजन. क्या टेलीविजन एक पर्सन का नाम है या जगह का नाम है, प्लेस है या थिंग? Very good. It's a thing. Let's talk about a girl. आप जल्दी से सोचकर बताएं, गर्ल क्या थिंग है, प्लेस है या पर्सन? Excellent. It's a person. Now let's talk about the third picture. It's a school. School is a name of a place. Very good. Next, it's a beach. यानी समंदर के किनारे को बीच कहते हैं. तो आपका क्या ख्याल है, बीच क्या है? Is a person, a thing or a place? Excellent. It's a place. एक वो जगह का नाम है. Next is a purse. Now you जल्दी से बताइए सोचकर. Purse is a name of a person. Person को टिक करूँ? नहीं? Okay. Purse is a thing. Very good. And what about a dress? Such a beautiful dress. It's a name of a person, place or thing. It's a thing. And what about a gift? Gift. Can you say gift is the name of a place? No, I'm saying it wrong. सही कहा आपने. It's a name of a thing. And what about a king? King. King किसी जगह का नाम है, किसी place का, thing का या person का? Very good. It's a name of a person. Very good, students. आपने देखा कितनी आसानी से आपने ये काम किया. Now let's proceed further. You have done a very good job. Now let's take a small assessment. एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी हम दोबारा से करते हैं. Which word is a noun? आपने गेस करना है और जल्दी से इसको मेरे साथ साथ सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है? Let's begin. G. Which word is a noun? Let's underline it. My teacher is very friendly. My teacher is very friendly. आपको क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे? Which word is a noun? My teacher is very friendly. Yes, it's the teacher. It's a name of a person. Second sentence, the children are playing in a park. The children are playing in a park. So, which words? I can see two nouns over here. Can you see two nouns? Yes, children is a name of a person and park is a name of a place. Very good. Your doctor is very kind. Your doctor is very kind. Doctor is a name of a person. Excellent. Good job. Cats are in the basket. Cats are in the basket. It's the cats. It's a name of animal and basket is a name of a thing. I love my school. I love my school. Yes, think. Very good. It's the school. It's a name of a place. Very good. Good job. You have done a very good job, my dear students. Let's proceed further. Now let us take a small assessment of noun. Are you ready? It's a very nice assessment and I think that if you are able to do it, then you are ready for the noun. Okay, let's begin. G, my dear ones. So can you see this page? The question number 1 is written, what is a noun? Noun किसे कहते हैं? Ism किसे कहते हैं? Action words, describing words, person, place or thing. Excellent. It's the person, place and thing. Very good. Now let's come to question number 2. Write the circle the nouns in the sentence below. आपने नीचे के एक sentence read करना है and you have to think कि इस sentence में कितने nouns हैं. The dog ran through the mud with his bone. The dog ran through the mud with his bone. Dog is a noun, mud is a noun, and a bone is a noun. Very good. Shabash. Question number 3. The word library is a library. Library उस जगह को कहते हैं जहाँ बहुत सारी किताबें होती हैं मज़े की इंफॉर्मेशंस की, जहाँ हम बैठ के इसको रीड करते हैं. तो आप सोचें कि लाइब्रेरी क्या है? It's a person, thing or a place. It's a place. Very good. Now let's come to question number 4. Write 3 nouns that name a place. Place की आप कोई भी 3 nouns सोचें जो कि place को define करता है. That is a name of a place. It can be a school. Very good. It can be a park and it can be a garden. Good job. Very good. Now write 3 nouns that name a person. Person की कोई नाम हो सकते हैं. जल्दी से सोचो. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's boy. It can be a girl. And it can be a man. Shabash. Write 3 nouns that name a thing. So easy. किसी चीज़ों के नाम 3 कोई भी चीज़ों के नाम लिख लें जैसे कि है bat. You can write ball. You can write doll. Anything that you can write. It's so easy, है ना? Now let's come to question number 7. Circle the nouns in the sentence below. Sam and Molly went to the bank to get money. I'll read it again. Sam and Molly went to the bank to get money. क्या नज़र आ रहा है आपको? Sam is a name of a boy. Molly is a name of a girl. Bank is the name of a place and money is the name of a thing. Excellent. Good job. Excellent work. You have done a good job, my dear ones. So let us proceed with today's diary. Today's diary is that you have to take out your English homework copy. Then you have to write full date and day on top of the page like this and draw a margin line जिस तरह आप किया करते थे. On the first line you have to write noun, the part of speech जो आज हमने पढ़ा है. Then on the second line you will make a small star and write make 5 sentences using noun. फिर 2 columns आपने ready करने हैं. एक पे noun लिखना है और दूसरे पे sentences. अब आपको यहाँ पे word bank दिया गया है. इस word bank में आपको बहुत सारे nouns नज़र आ रहे हैं. Can you see this word bank? यहाँ से इनमें से कोई भी 5 nouns आप यहाँ पे लिखना है आपने 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. और उनके आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने जिस तरह बनाते थे। आप लोगों को सेंटेंस मेकिंग के रूल्स पता है ना, दैट द फर्स्ट लेटर इज ऑलवेज कैपिटल एंड यू एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप। ठीक है, द फर्स्ट लेटर इज ऑलवेज कैपिटल एंड यू एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप। आपने जल्दी से ये काम बहुत नीट करना है, ठीक है। Well, remember to do your work neatly and carefully. Write your full date and day on top of your copy and learn and practice the work that you have done today. All right, my dear students? Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new notification and updates. This is Miss Iramna signing off. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video lecture. Allah Hafiz.